Guys, it's Gina. I love a garage sale just as much as anyone. And if you are someone who is planning up a garage sale and you want to get through pricing your products as quickly as possible, this is a great product for you. So it's a 600 count package of garage sale stickers. I mean, you could use them for anything, baked goods or whatever, but I use them for garage sales. So what I really like about them, I have different kinds, and some of the sheets of stickers that I get have all different prices on one sheet, but that is specifically why I love these. I'm going to price my garage sale, and I'm going to have a lot of things that are $1, and you get 600 of these. They are all in one pack. You're not having to go down through the list and find like, where's the $1 stickers? Because you probably, if it's a typical garage sale, have a lot of $1 items also. Now, I will tell you they do come in different amounts. I will also be telling you in another video about the $2 stickers, but they do come in different amounts. I will tell you each dollar amount sticker is a different color. These ones are kind of a pretty blue color. They do peel off very easily. And these are 3/4 inch diameter circles. So if you are wanting to price things quickly for your garage sale and keep going, people really like to come to garage sales where there are prices on things. So if you are dreading pricing yours because it just takes so long, get yourself a set of these stickers. They are super handy to have and plenty of them. Again, I'd like to say there are 600 in a pack. If you are needing some garage sale stickers, these are definitely ones to check out.